Okay, class, you're welcome back to our digital maths tutor. Now, in today's mathematics, we are looking at SURD, a problem on SURD. Now, you are given something like this. This is 3 SURD 18 minus 2 SURD 50 plus SURD 72. And you are asked to simplify this. Now, I've already worked it out, but I'm going to explain to you how I did it. And this is exactly how I would do it. This is secondary school mathematics, senior secondary school mathematics. But the children who are writing WAEC or whatever, they're expecting to see stuff like this. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to simplify all of this. And for students of mathematics and further mathematics, anytime you see stuff like this, look for common numbers. And if you look at it, there's something common in all of them. Now, I can change the 18 to 9 times 2. And that's 18. 50 to 25 times 2. Are you seeing repeated addition of 2? 72 to 36 times 2. And this 9, 25, and 36 makes so much meaning. You know why? Because each of them are perfect square. 9 is a square of 3. 25 is a square of 5. 36 is a square of 6. So when I do that, I'm going to have these 3. Now 18 is now 9 times 2 minus 2. 50 is 25 times 2 plus 36 times 2. Now having done that, if I separate this 9 times 2, the square root of 9 is 3. So this my 3 is here. This is the 3 you've seen here now. This 9 has become 3 on its own because the square root of 9 is 3. Then the 2 is on its own. Minus 2. The square root of 25 is 5. So it's on its own. Then 2 is still inside. Then plus the square root of 36 is 6. I see it. So all of them now have this root, square root of 2. Each of them. Now this, I'm going to multiply this. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 root 2 minus 2 times 5 is 10. 10 root 2 plus 6 root 2. Having got all of this, I'm going to add up the whole numbers, minus. So I'm going to have 9 minus 10 plus 6. 9 minus 10 plus 6, all root 2. Remember, you are doing additive stuff. For the fact they have all common root, and this is plus and minus, they are going to assume 1. But if it happen to be times, you are going to still multiply it. But because it's plus, this is where a lot of students have problem. It's plus and minus, so even though you have here, they're all common to it, so it's going to be this. By the time you now say 9 minus 10 is minus 1, plus 6 is 5. We can say 9 plus 6, 15, minus 10 is 5. So their total answer now, the last answer is 5 sort 2 or root 2. Remember, all of this they are calling sort, it's just root and all that. So that's the final answer. Everything you've seen here has been simplified to this. It is an objective question. That's the exact thing you're going to see. So this is for you, math students, math teachers, everyone, parents at home. You can be part of what we do here on this channel. Even help your children to learn, even if they are not getting much from the school because of a lot of work teachers over there are doing. Engage them on our channel and learn as much as possible. In fact, we encourage you to ask us on a particular topic, to teach on a particular topic through the comment section. We're going to do that. So keep learning. Please help us to share this video and don't forget to subscribe so they can always be updated when a new video is released. We're going to stop at this point. Ask your questions, make your comments, ask anyone, tell us to prepare a video on a particular topic or anything, and we're going to do that for you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.